When your heating or cooling system isn't working properly, you need fast, reliable HVAC service you can trust. At Stewart Richey Service Group, we provide expert heating and cooling repair, installation, and maintenance for homes and businesses. Whether it's an emergency AC repair in the summer, a furnace replacement in winter, or routine maintenance, our skilled technicians ensure your heating and cooling systems run efficiently, offering 24/7 emergency HVAC repairs and energy-efficient solutions to keep your space comfortable all year long. Trusted heating and cooling repair, installation and maintenance, serving homes and businesses. Stewart Richey Service Group, your one-call service solution.